Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my December Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I know it's a month late guys, but I still had it here, so I might as well show you guys. So this is the box right here. This is $25 a month. This box was bringing a makeup bag. Apparently they're not going to be doing that anymore. I heard that they're going to be including one more product because they're taking away the makeup bag, but I'm not exactly sure. I haven't really been informed. So here's the little pamphlet. I know that they're not going to include the bags anymore, but I didn't know that they were going to be including a 6 item. All right, so here are all the products in the box. So first thing I see here is a set of brushes, and these are from Farrah. And this is the Gold Face Brush Trio, and it says it's a value of $40. The next thing in here is from Smith & Colt, and it's Book of Eyes Eye Quad Palette in Soft Shock, Smoked Out. And this is that right there, and I imagine it's an eyeshadow quad. This is what the packaging looks like, really cute and different. Oh, it's like a mirror, you can see my camera. And then when you open this up, these are the colors that are in here. This is a really, really nice, like, has a nice mirror right here. And then those are the colors right there. They're really, really nice. They're very pretty. I don't know yet. I'm not gonna swatch them because I don't know if I want to gift this or what. They're really pretty colors though. I really like it. And this is valued at $44. Next thing in here is from 111 Skin, and this is a vitamin C brightening booster. And this values for $180. Are you serious? Oh my god. It's like a little dropper thingy. Okay. Wow, that's insane. It says mix 1 to 2 drops of 111 Skin Booster to your favorite moisturizer to give it a much needed upgrade. So it helps with dark spots, pigmentation, and age spots. I'm surprised. The next thing in here is from Estee Lauder, and this is a Pure Color Envy Sculpting Lipstick in the color Envy, or Jealous, in the color Jealous. I cannot wait to see this. This I definitely will swatch because I'm most probably going to be keeping this. Ooh, this is nice, heavy packaging. Very nice. Ooh, that's a beautiful color. I want to swatch this because I think I'm going to be keeping this. Oh yeah. That is my color. You guys know. That's gorgeous. I love this. And it's magnetic. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like this. And then the last thing in here is the last bag that we are going to be getting, which is, since this was December, this was a nice little like sequined bag where you can, you know, do the whole, you know, thingamajig that people do to these bags. I was trying to write Ipsy on it, but forget it. And the bag, a lot fits in here. Very nice makeup bag. It's not my style of bag, but it's very nice for someone that likes these kind of bags. So that was it for my December Glam Bag Plus. I like stayed in shock there real quick. Hopefully this month, which is January, I'm going to be doing a Glam Bag Plus versus BoxyCharm. I can't wait. I already have my January BoxyCharm. I'm just waiting on my Glam Bag Plus, which we're already like on the 21st and I still haven't gotten it. So I can't wait to get that so I can share that with you guys, and you guys can let me know what you think. I can't wait to see who does better this month. So that's it guys. I love you guys. I will see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and hit the notifications bell so you can be notified of when I upload my videos. And that is all for today. Love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye my loves.